Hello students, welcome to VH Chemistry YouTube channel. This is Vishwanath, your chemistry lecturer. In this session, we are going to discuss about coordination compounds. CET NEET topics of coordination compounds. So we are solving some multiple choice questions here. The first question: in the complex formation, the central metal atom or ion acts as. So here in this question, so options are there. Lewis base, Bronsted base, Lewis acid, Bronsted acid. So what do you mean by Lewis base and Lewis acid? Lewis acid means accept electron. This the ion or atom which can accept the electron, that is called Lewis acid. And Lewis base means the substance which can donate electron. Okay. So here central metal atom in a coordination compound, central metal atom, it acts as a Lewis acid because the ligands here, metal is there, so some ligands are attached to the metal. Okay, so ligands can donate lone pair of electrons to the central metal atom. So the answer is Lewis acid. Okay, Lewis acid. Option C is the answer. Next, second one. The groups satisfying the secondary valencies of a cation in a complex are called, yes, answer, ligands. Okay. The group satisfying the secondary valency that corresponds to the ligands, the primary valencies that corresponds to the oxidation number of the metal atom. So next question. The number of ions formed on dissolving one molecule of FeSO4, NH4 twice SO4, 6H2O. That means ammonium ferrous sulfate hexahydrate complex. This is double salt. So in water is, so here after dissolution of this molecule into the water, it forms ions, that is Fe2 plus and second 2SO4 2 minus and NH4 twice is there, so it is 2 NH4 plus. So how many ions you can calculate now? So there are 5 ions are produced on dissolving the substance, that is ferrous ammonium sulfate, into the water. The answer is B. Next, the number of unidentate ligands in the complex ion is called, unidentate ligands in the complex. See here, what is the answer? Yes, B is the answer. Coordination number. Okay, coordination number. The number of the unidentate ligands in the complex ion, it is called coordination number. Okay, coordination number means what? Number of ligands. Number of ligands are attached to the central metal atom. So here ligands, they mentioned as a ligands. So number of ligands, unidentate ligands in the complex, it is called coordination number. Okay. Next, fifth. The oxidation state of chromium in Cr NH3 4 times Cl2, so plus. Okay, on the complex plus sign is there. So the name of this complex is tetraamine dichloridochromium. So what is the oxidation state? So consider chromium as X plus ammonium ion. So 4 times of ammonia is there, so it is 0 because so it is electron precise, it is neutral molecule. Then chlorine is there, -2 is equals to 1 plus 1. So what is the X? X is equals to plus 3. Okay, plus 3. So answer is A. So how to calculate oxidation number? You can see here X plus 0 if neutral atoms is present, neutral molecules are present, neutral ligands are present. So 0 minus 2 means Cl. So chlorine, it is having minus 1 charge. So it is 2 minus 2. This is equals to plus 1 because so on the complex it is having plus 1 charge. Okay. So answer is X is equals to plus 3. Next, sixth question. Which response gives the correct coordination number and oxidation number of the transition metal atom in the given complex? Okay. So CO, NH3 twice, H2O twice, Cl2, it rise to the charge plus, okay, plus 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ coordination number ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, oxidation number ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Coordination number ಏನಿದೆ, coordination number, how many ligands are attached to the metal atom. So here coordination number, it is clear, that is 6. Okay. Oxidation number is equals to andre x is equals to cobalt is considered as X plus of 0 because NH3 it is neutral ligand, water is also neutral ligand, 0. And what about Cl2 it is negatively charged, so minus of 2. This is equals to plus 1. What is the charge? X is equals to plus 3. So coordination number is 6 and oxidation number it is plus 3. What is the option? Option D is right answer. Okay, option D is right answer. So here coordination number option for fifth, what is the oxidation number of chromium? That is A. Okay. Yes, come next question. Consider the coordination compound K2CuCN4. A coordinate covalent bond exists between, okay, coordinate covalent compound that exists between, yes, here Cu is there, 4 cyanide atoms they are attached, 4 cyanide atoms. Here Cn is there, here Cn is there, here Cn is there, and here Cn. Okay, so bracket complete. So it is coordination sphere. Here this Cn minus ions, they are donating lone pair of electrons to the central metal atom. These are bonded with a coordinate covalent bonding. And what about K2? So these are having ionic bonding in between this complex ion and the metal. Okay, so that Cn minus and Cu2 plus, so they are having coordinate covalent bond. So in between cyanide and copper 2 plus, they are having coordinate covalent bond. Okay, so option 2 is the answer. Option B is the answer. Next, nomenclature of the coordination compounds. Nomenclature, this is very important. So nomenclature, on the nomenclature, one of the question which will be given in the CET, it must be given. So 12th question, the IUPAC name for the complex, this complex, what is the IUPAC naming? Can you guess? Here first NH3 is there. NH3 means pentaamine. Okay, NH3 is there, pentaamine, 5 NH3 atoms, molecules are there, so pentaamine. Next, nitrito. Okay, nitrito, NO2 means nitrito. and N cobalt, nitrito N, because N is directly attached to the central metal atom, so that nitrogen N you should write in a capital letter. Next, yes, option D. So we should calculate the oxidation number here. Cobalt, it is X -1, because NO2 it is having -1 charge, plus of 0 because ammonia or ammonium ion it is having 0 charge because it is neutral molecule. -2 is equals to 0. What is the charge? That is 3. So option D is the answer. Pentaamine. The name is pentaamine nitrito N cobalt 3 chloride. Is it clear? Okay. 13th. The IUPAC name of the coordination compound K3FeCN6. So usually the common name of this complex, it is potassium ferricyanide. Potassium ferricyanide. So the answer is potassium hexacyanidoferrate 3. So why it is the name of this complex? Central metal atom, it is ferrate, ends with ATE. Why it is? Because it is negatively charged complex. Negatively charged complex. How it is? You can see K3FeCN6. So K3 is positively charged. Okay, K plus. So if there is no K3, so here -3 charge will be there. Okay, so that this complex it is negatively charged. That means anionic complex. So the central metal atom it is having the suffix ends with ATE. Okay, potassium hexacyanidoferrate 3 is the answer. Next, which coordination compound is named incorrectly? So you should confirm all the names here. So this is not there. This is not there. Don't consider this one. So there are 4 options are there. So A, pentaamine chlorido cobalt 3 sulfate. See the complex? Pentaamine chlorido cobalt 3 sulfate. Okay, so this is right. So correct naming it is. See the oxidation state, ammonia it is having 0 and Cl it is having -1. So X plus 0 -1. Okay, -1 is equals to, sorry, -1 -2 is equals to 0. What about X? That is 3. Okay, so this option is right. Next, AgCN toys, dicyanido argentate 1 ion. This is also right. So we cannot find any wrong here. Next, C option, tetraamine dichlorido cobalt 3 chloride. So see the oxidation state again. X for C. X plus 0 because ammonia is there. Minus of 2 minus of 1 is equals to 0. So X is equals to 3. That option is also right. And last D, option D, consider diethylene diamine. So En is there. Okay, En toys. En toys means it is organic molecule. En means organic molecule. So if any organic molecule is present in the complex, we should name as bis, tris, like that. Okay, so bis diethylene diamine, sorry, bis ethylene diamine, that is the correct answer. But here they made wrong, they given wrong IUPAC naming. So option D is incorrectly named. Okay, option D is a right answer. Option D is the right answer. Okay. Next, 15th one. Determine the chemical formula for the compound diamine tetra aqua iron 2 chloride. Diamine tetra aqua iron 2 chloride. So what is the option? You should name first. You should give diamine. Diamine means NH3. Diamine means like this, NH3 twice. Next, tetra aqua. Tetra aqua means H2O 4 times. Tetra aqua. Iron 2 chloride. So first you should write chloride here. Next, iron. Iron means Fe. Okay. So what about this one? Oxidation number here for iron. Calculate now. This is 2. So we should write Cl2 here. So X plus 0 plus 0 minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. So for this question, option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. So ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅವರು, ಅಥವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೇಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಓದಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು